If all the strategy you have, none of them is working for you, please, I want you to consider a few things. When you talk about forex trading is an investment. I have come to give this strategy and also to tell you to be calm. As a person that have traded for some years, that have entered into forex trading for some years now, I have to give us some secrets, and this secret may look simple, but it's very, very vital. Listen to me. In forex trading is an investment. But this strategy I'm about to give you now is very, very important. Very, very important. If you can follow it, you will enjoy forex trading. It may look simple. You may have seen things that looks like it, but if you can follow it, you will enjoy it. I'm giving you what I know that is real. All right, my name is GDFX. I'm a forex trading master. We teach, we direct, we mentor. And I want to specially thank all my returning subscribers. We are doing whatever we are doing because you are there. Whatever we are doing here, whatever I am doing here, GDFS is nobody without you. I want to thank you that is watching this video right now. You are special to me. My new subscribers, my new viewers all over the world, I want to thank you from USA, Malaysia, Singapore, too many to mention. I want to Burkina Faso, Zambia, many countries to mention. I want to say thank you. You are the reason why, you are the reason I am here. Without you, we are nothing. And I promise that we'll keep doing our best to make sure that forex trading will be easier for you. All right. Now, this strategy, I want you to understand this thing. Anytime this thing touches at this, anytime the red touched at 10 level in 5 minutes time frame, it's an opportunity for you to enter trade. All right. Just take this way. If the 10 level touches and the blue entered below the 20 moving the 20 line, watch it here. So if it enters the 20 line and cross, be ready to Skype. This, I'm not giving this one for catching spike, it is for Skyping. All right, it is for Skyping. Look at my trade. This is crash 500. All right, so this is how it works. It's very, very simple because I want to tell us something. I just want to give out this strategy, then I want to share something with us. Listen, just take this way. Anytime the black crosses, then you take the alligator below to confirm me. This is 5 minutes time frame. All right, this is 5 minutes time frame. So just take that. It works. Look at it. Anytime it touched like this, do you get that? Anytime it touched like this, look at it. If this thing touched like this and the blue entered below the 20 levels, if the blue enters the 20 levels, it's an opportunity for you to Skype like 30 candles. All right, it's a very big opportunity for you to Skype like 20 candles. Very, very useful. Do you see that? Do you see that? It's a very big opportunity. Look at it. This is 1 minute time frame. Do you get that now? This is 1 minute time frame. Anytime the pink touched the below 10 levels and make a curve, and make sure that the blue will enter. If the blue did not enter, if the blue is up like this, don't enter. But if the blue enters into this place and make a curve to start moving up like this, it's an opportunity for you to enter and Skype as many candles as you want. Forget about this little spike you see here. It's an opportunity for you to, let's backtest a little bit. Look at it here. Can you see it? Look at it. Look at it. But this one is not a confirmed that other because it did not touch this place. Let me show you. Look at it. It didn't touch here the way it should be. but there was a total cross here. So if you check it and your first TP is 50 levels, please don't fear that. Your first TP is 50 levels. This is how it works, okay? Your first TP is 50 levels. Now, I want to tell us something, and if you want to be successful in Forex trading, please, I want to beg you something. It's not all about being a trader. It's all about being a profitable trader. How many accounts, how many dollars do you want to lose before you help yourself? How many dollars do you want to lose before you help yourself? How many dollars? Brokers know, they knew very well that you will lose your trade. You don't know that. They knew that even if you deposit $1,000 without proper knowledge, that you will still come back to zero. Forex trading is an investment. Look at what people do. Sometimes one of the simple problem I have discovered in people that are trading Forex is that, listen, when they find a strategy on YouTube like this, once they find that strategy, they apply it. And if they apply it, the thing will work for them maybe like 2 days or 3 days. After 2 days or 3 days, the thing will now reverse. The same profit they make with the same strategy, they start losing it. What else are they going to do? They now do a little adjustment. And once they do a little adjustment, they start making the profit again. And as they start making the profit again, like a week or thereabout, they start incurring losses again. Sometimes they blew the account. At the process of that, what do? They start doubting the strategy. Do you get that now? They now start doubting the strategy. And once they start doubting the strategy, they now go back to YouTube again to look for more strategies. And forgetting that the strategy you are testing it with your money. Look at this thing. Do you get that? This one cross TP, first TP and second TP. They forgot that the strategy they are testing it with their money. So once they try it, they now go to YouTube, try another video and find another strategy. They apply it. And now that they applied it, the strategy starts working again. They now start enjoying. All of a sudden, the strategy will now mess up. And they now switch over to another strategy. Before you know it, some of us will stay like 1 week, 1 month, 3 months. They have changed up to 5 strategies. Listen to me. One of the simple secrets you should know is this. Anytime you have a strategy, first, find out how does this strategy work. You can use one strategy for like 6 months, one strategy. But does that mean that you don't want people to watch your video? No, I need people to watch my video. But one thing you should know is this. Why do we have too many strategies? Why do we keep posting strategies? Number one, many people like to trade with MACD, while others like to trade with Bollinger Band. A lot of people like RSI, while others don't even do anything with. Some other people like stochastic oscillator. So we keep pushing strategies, and the key IQ, intelligent quotient of everybody is not the same. So people keep pushing, we keep pushing, so that when Mr. A don't like MACD, Mr. B will like MACD, to make sure that everybody that enters into Forex will one day find one strategy that will be suitable for his level of trading experience. But in spite of all those things, the truth of the whole matter is this. Trading without knowledge is a waste of time. Trading without knowledge is a waste of time. Yes. You cannot get all the knowledge you need here on YouTube. Why do we have doctors? I am telling because at the early stage of my trading life, when somebody taught me how to open an account, I just opened the account. I went to YouTube. Each time I was losing money. I lost close to $500. I was losing money. I applied Mr. A strategy. At the end of the day, I will make money. Maybe that same day, the next day, the money is gone. Until I met a guy. He asked me, he told me the secret I need to. I sold my laptop because I don't have money left. But sometimes when people will come to you there with, I don't know whether they want to invest their frustration on you. I don't know whether they want to blame you, that maybe you are the reason they are losing their money. Then the next person, maybe the person will come to you and say, how much will you charge me for mentorship? You tell the person will go off. After 2 months or 3 months, the person will now come back and start begging. You see that? And I am saying this because I am angry at one of my students that have raised his her dollar to like $300. She came back to me, told me that she blew her account. I was angry. Why? Because I gave her the principles and the knowledge, but because she never waited to know the procedure, this thing, the market was trending and she was winning. All of a sudden, the market stopped winning and she was still trading. So one of the reasons people should know, one real good reason why they lose their trade is number one, they don't have all the necessary knowledge they need to have. Number one. Number two, they lose confidence in their strategy very easy. And number three, they don't have enough capital to trade. Forex trading is an investment. It's a business that can grow and help you take care of so many things. Before you quit your business, before you quit your business and becoming a forex trader, make sure that you have learned it, not just maybe depositing $1,000 and start trading, because you will still lose it. Make sure you have spent a little time, and some don't even have time to trade with caution on their demo. All they do is just to place trade, because you have 10,000, you have $100,000 in your demo. You don't know the kind of merger and leverages you have there. You just place your trade with $50 and you make flicks of incomes. Go and try it with $200 and see what will happen. You must be disciplined. A lot of people are not disciplined. And let me tell us why people lose trade using strategies. Number one, listen. Every strategy has winning season. I mean profit season. If you are doing scalping, you must be careful of uptrend and downtrend. So anytime you entered downtrend, anytime you entered uptrend, and let's assume you want to catch spikes, you need to ask yourself, are you a swing trader? Which means, do you trend on the weak trend, or are you a day trader? Which means all the strategies you'll be looking at for, if you're a swing trader, it should be a strategy from 1 week market movement. You cannot do a week analysis and you enter trade with your $3 or $10. You will blow your account in a second. Because for a movement, for something to happen in a second, I mean in a minute, in a day trend, you must have, for you to see a little move in a day candle, that means one minute time frame is already like 15 candles. Then the question is, are you a swing trader or a day trader? Then if you are a day trader, do you trade accurately? Do you have the capital to carry it? Do you have capital to carry it? Or do you see, each time you see people trade with $1 to $5 or $10 or those things to $100, it doesn't happen always. We waited to see that entry point. It's not something that you see like some people watch video, like now they watch video now, they will not do their market analysis. They will go and try it with the same movement of the market now. No, it's wrong. Sometimes you watch video, you watch some things, and the entry point may be around 4, while you watch the video around 10. That is what shows that you are disciplined. That is what shows that you know what you are doing. All right? Okay, let me give you the indicators as I've been giving it out already. The continuation of the indicators is 14, 5, 5, 5. This is alligator. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 exponential. Look at it. It's simple. You can screenshot it. It's very, very simple. And this thing is stochastic oscillator 13, 3, 3, 3. Okay. This is how we use it. It's very, very simple. All right. So please Follow the instructions. Look at it. How do you confirm that this thing now is the right one? No matter how you shake it, it will not shift. How do you know that the market is now going to be on uptrend using your 1 minute time frame? No matter how you shake it, watch the pink. The pink is not shifting because it has gone to oversold level. Do you see that? Look at this one again. It has gone to oversold level, and you must not stay like 10 hours in your trade. Do you see that? You can only take 10 to 5 candles and you're out of the market. You can do it up to 5 times or 6 times in a day and you will make money. Do you see that? Don't be too quick or too fast to close your trade. I remain GDFX. I just want to share these simple tricks for you. All right, so please try it. Don't be too fast to to conclude a trade. This strategy you are seeing here now can work for you from now till next week. If a market is doing uptrend for like a week, don't you know that the next week it may start reversing? So if you are finished scalping, the next week may be downtrend. So why do you blame trade when you fail to understand the market analysis or the movement of the market? Do you get that? So each time you see the movement of the market, it's an opportunity for you. And I beg you, don't make that mistake. Please, I beg you, my new subscribers, thank you. And my old subscribers, thank you. And I also want to beg you, please subscribe to this channel. I look forward to see your comments. If you have had any mistake or any failure or anything disturbing you and you wish that I could come up with another strategy, please feel free to drop your comment section. And if you need a mentorship, no matter your country, I have students almost at least 33 countries. Yes, I'm not boasting. So giving you what we do or helping you out is, and please, anybody using my name to ask you to invest, I am not the person. I am not the person. This strategy can work for boom 300, crash 300, C1000, C500, volatility 25, 75, 50, 10, 100. You can also use this thing to trade on currency. Yes. Try it and see how it works. Please, before you enter live trade, try every strategy on your demo. Try it. Be sure. One of the students I trained in one of the African countries like that, one thing he did that I love was that when I trained him for but the time he wanted to start trading on his own, what he did was he asked me, what capital can I risk? I told him, and he make every provision. Today he's enjoying. Last time he sent me $100 and I'm enjoying it. Before somebody will send you $100, each time he will keep sending me his profit. He said, Master, thank you. I paid you $500. It's never a waste. He was like, I wish I knew you before now. Because sometimes when people will say that they want to mentor you, you don't know that the knowledge you have is greater than the one they have. All right? So I want to say kudos. The YouTube is doing well because of you. Thank you, and I respect you for that. I remain your friend, GDFS. Thank you.